Today we will make a sheet metal tray that could be easily from the outside, but it keeps a lot of important things to know for make it easy and fast and without any kind of error. We will see it after the opening. I've got in my hand something like what I want to do. It's a galvanized sheet metal tray, thickness of 4 centimeters, and it keeps inside this vase, this jar. I've made it with 3D printing, and its measure is 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters of 4 centimeters of thickness. I found a sheet metal galvanized that I will going to use for this work. Its measure is 37 by 44.5. These vases are 2 centimeters for 2 centimeters, so I need a measure that go forward by 2 centimeters. The measure that is nearest for what I wanted to do with less unused material will be 44.2 and 36.2 centimeters. Why 0.2? Well, it's important to give some space behind them. I don't want this vase, this jar, are too much strict between them. So 2 millimeters of air in all global them are sufficient, are enough. Another important thing is to the stream edge I need to make a split of 40 by 40 millimeters because are the thickness of this tray. Another important thing to say is I've made all more right as I can, because if I made some mistake, I find them when I will go to weld them. The weld must be waterproof because there will be water inside of it. So let's go to make it. I've already set the machine for bend the sheet metal. It's better to check the measure for see what I've done. Here we got 28.1, so it have made and take out too much material, but it was for the knife of the machine, and it's not bad. But here 36.1. Still here we got too much space. I think I could go with the right number for bending, so because I got not so much space behind the bending part of the sheet metal for weld it. So we can go forward. When I was bending this metal, I made a mistake because I taken the largest measure, when I should have taken that measure inside. So half of the work bending, I've cut the registration for change the knife. Anyway, we got the piece bended, and I already see that measure inside, and it's perfect. We got 1 millimeter at each side more, so is 1 millimeter for the hair that I talk about it. And we got here (36.1) for 28.2. That is what I wanted. Now we have to weld the piece here, and is the hardest part because I have to balance the power of the welding, because too much make the welding pool too much liquid that should go on the ground, and too low energy make sticky welding that will make lose water. We weld going down, and there is not a right thing to do, but here I just have to keep water inside. It should have no other stress, so it's enough for what I want to do. So let's go to weld. As you have read, I got problem with audio in the video before, so I had to remake this sheet. Anyway, I filled the tray with all the mini jar, and that's the result. That's the end result. 252 mini jar ready for work. So it's all for today. We'll see on next video. Bye.